In this project, we're gonna solve two of the problems that we saw during the first partial. One of them is when limit tends to be infinite, we're gonna solve it numerical, and the other one is find the derivative of a square root.
Okay, so the problem that we got assigned is when limit of x is equal to infinity by definition. So what you have to do in this, you have to divide everything by x. So you do 3 over x minus 8x over x divided by 5 over x plus 2x over x. And then you eliminate these x's, they're gonna be removed. You cancel them out, and then you got left 3x minus 8 over 5x plus 2. And then what you do is you plug into the x's the infinite root, the infinite power, and then you divide it by 5 over infinite plus 2. This turns into 0 and this turns into 0. So what you have left is negative 8 over 2. So the answer is limit of x when it's infinite is equal to negative 4. So the first thing you need to do in order to perform the chain rule is rewrite this equation to the power rule, which will be 6x squared minus 1 to the power of 1/2. Then you write first the power times the function, then minus the power, which will be 2 over 2, and then negative 1 over 2, which is negative 1/2, times the derivative of this equation, which will be 12x.
Okay, after doing this process, you need to multiply the 1/2 times the derivative, which it will be 6x, and this remains the same. Okay, but you cannot leave this in here, the negative exponent, so you need to pass it down, which is 6x squared minus 1 at 1/2, and this, when you get a fraction at the exponent, is equal to a square root. Okay, so this is the final process, but for the answer, you need to put f of x. Thank you.
By doing this project, we learned a lot and reviewed all the subjects from the first partial so we can review later. This can be really helpful for the future, for the next partials and the next generations. So if they don't understand the topic, they can see the video and then understand it. Thank you. Thank you.